Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this indoor insect trap. It is a catcher and a killer for fruit flies, gnats, mosquitoes, moths with a UV neon light. Alright, so right here we have our Vortex indoor fruit fly and insect repellent. This one here does catch fruit flies, gnats, mosquitoes, moths, anything that flies around that is attracted to the UV lights. It does come with 5 of these sticky pads. You do get a middle thing inside, which actually you could put soap in it, so it'll track them. So it says trap fruit flies, gnats, mosquitoes, and other small insects. For inside results, use the optional fly line cup filled with desired solution. So it's requested to use soap and water. That's all you need. It is super nice and lightweight. It's 5 times as effective. Uses the UV light and relievable bait, which the cup sent to attract the pests. So this is for increased results. Use the included refillable bait cup. And then you do get the sticky pads at the bottom. So it also is recommended you can either use apple cider vinegar and Dawn dish soap, which is recommended for the bait refill. So here is the USB charger. And this part right here goes into the back of the machine. Again, it is super lightweight. You can hang it as well as just setting it on the counter. So here are the little sticky pads. You can scan this for refills. And it says this is the sticky part, so each one of them has a cover so it doesn't stick to the plastic. And then you do have the user manual. Here is the charging block. This is a Type-C charging block. And then you do get a clean brush. So this brush will clean out the bottom of the Vortex. So you can say goodbye to these annoying bugs. The Vortex catches fruit flies, mosquitoes, gnats, and moths. So those are very pesky here, especially when the evening and the lights out. This is lightweight. You have the button right here to release the bottom. So just open them like this. You can see it has a little hole in the middle so they can't climb out. You'll take one of these sticky pads and apply it to the bottom of this. So just remove it from the package. So these are individually wrapped, so they're not together. So you just pop one out, remove this sticky part. So here's 2 of them. So you'll just remove it from this little tip at the top. And there's a little pad. So then this part here, you want it facing up because you want the bugs to get stuck to that. So just pop it in here. I actually turn this the other way so it doesn't get stuck. And then you clip it down. Make sure it's locked in place. You'll have to push this little button in here to lock it in place, because it's like a little clip. See the little clip right here? You just got to push this out. And there it is. It is locked and secured. So this does have a refillable bait cup, which emits scents. It's got a super quiet fan that sucks in the insects and is a replaceable glue boards. The dimensions, this uses a 120 volt adapter, which is included. The dimensions are 8.7 inches tall by 5 inches wide. So right here is the little hanging port. So now we're going to take the cup out. So you can use vinegar and a little bit of Dawn soap. Then you would put it inside here. This is removable, so this is plastic, and that helps attract the bugs. And you just close it in here just like this. It'll snap on, and then put it right back in there. It just slides right in there. And then here is the UV light. This does not lift up or down. It stays right there. So here at the top you have the power button, and then you have the timer button, and then this is where you'll plug in the charger. It does not work if it's not plugged in. It does not have no battery, so it has to be plugged into the plug or into a battery charger. So you just plug this right in. Since I do have a battery pack with me, I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on. But I do also have the power brick. So this power brick would always have to be on, or you can use a power block, which I'm going to use a power block to turn it on. So here's my portable power block. This one's at 100%. I'm just going to pop it in here, push on the button of the power, and you can see the fan's already spinning, the light's on. So what they do is they just fly up in there and they get sucked in from the fan, and it'll push them down to the bottom, and then when they land on the sticky boards, they will stick there and they cannot come back out. And I'm going to turn the fan on so you can hear how quiet it is. This thing is super quiet. You can't even hear it barely. The only thing you can hear is my window air condition in the background. But you have different lightings. You've got light and bright. So this one here, you can also hang it if you don't want it to sit on the counter, but you have many options. You can either set it on the counter or you can hang it up. I would highly recommend checking this one out, especially if you're looking for a bug catcher that does not snap or make any noise. This one is a really nice one. It's super lightweight. You did get 5 of these little sticky boards. You get the power charger, the block, and you do get a little brush to clean it.